The radio crackles at the grocery store and you're back at that scene. A siren passes and your heart races like it's happening again. An alarm goes off and you're 17 months back in time. If you're a first responder, you know these sounds don't just fade away. They live in your nervous system. They hijack your present moment. But there's a technique trauma specialists use called controlled exposure. You don't avoid the trigger. You face it in small, safe doses while practicing breathing techniques. You teach your brain a new response. Your past doesn't have to control your present. Follow for real mental health tools that actually work.